Alright, I'm gonna record a short video to help you guys with problem 6, problem 8 on quiz number 6. This one's a little tricky and very poorly worded. Um, Slideshow. Alright, so basically rectangular garden. Okay, so it says we have a rectangular garden that is 12 feet by 5 feet. So this is our garden. It says a gravel path of equal width, and this is confusing. It's not clear at all what they mean by equal width, and actually what they really mean by it is not really an accurate statement. But so we're saying a path of equal width is going to go around the garden. So basically, this is what we have. So they're saying that on each side, the width of the path is x. Some width. We don't know what it is, but basically it's the same all around. The problem with saying that it's equal width in this area, in this region, it's not really relevant to the problem, but logically, anything in this region is not going to be a length of x from here to here. None of this is a length x, basically, except for this part and this part. But that's why I say this problem is very poorly stated. It's not even possible. But moving on, at least the way they have it worded, it's not possible. But anyway, this is what they're getting at in the problem. So basically we want to fill this little sidewalk with cement, and we do not want to cement over the garden. We're not making a basketball court. We're making a walkway around the garden. Okay, so basically, so we have enough gravel for 38 square feet. So this whole thing should be 38 square feet. The border basically. So we got two areas. So basically, from here to here, our length is 5 feet. From here to here, our length is 12 feet. This x, 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 and so on, basically. Okay. And then from here to here again is 5 feet. So basically, we have two rectangles, one inside the other. So we'll call the big one a big. The area of the big one is the length times the width. Here, the length is 12 plus 2x. Here, this is x plus 5. So this side is going to be from here to here. It's going to be 2x plus 5. And I guess I'll write it that way over here. I'll just write this the other way. The length from here all the way to here is 2x plus 12. Okay, so x plus 12. So we basically have 2x plus 5 and 2 x plus 12. Okay, so that's the big area. A small is just going to be 12 times 5, which is 60. So to figure out what we actually want to cement, is so what we actually want to cement is this part. Right? That's our walkway. We don't want to. That's all we want to cement. So this part here is what should be 138 square feet because that's how much area we want for our walkway. Right? So basically, the area is going to be the area. To get this area in the middle, we basically just need to subtract a big the area of the walkway is going to be a big minus a small. So basically we have 2x plus 5 so this is a big and this is the small one area. So and all that, the area of your walkway is not 180. What was it? 138. Yeah. So that's 138 feet squared. So you basically need to solve this. So yeah, so basically, you're just going to get it in this form, and you're going to factor to solve, and that's all there is to that, basically. Um, so please, and the reason I'm answering this because someone brought it to my attention. So definitely, if you have questions, please ask. Some of these problems may be a little bit difficult. So when you solve that, let me see. Yeah, so, but basically, when you solve this equation, you should get two different x values, and only one of them is going to make sense because one's going to be, I think one's going to be negative and one's going to be positive, and of course you just want to pick the positive one. I'll tell you, it's the answer is 3 feet. You just have to figure out how to get there from here. Stop this thing.